What is up? What is up? This is a for real situation where I need a photographer. Anyway, likely done here. I would like to preview Windmill Abs. This is a doozy. Quite honestly, the first few times, shoot. Most of my life, I never could do this, and I'm flabbergasted by the fact that I can do it now. So, this takes practice. Don't stress if you're not doing it correctly. I'm trying to figure out a way to angle this without you looking at my booty. Okay, we'll just go this way and pretend that's the direction my mat is in. So, lay back, shoulder blades, flatten your back down. This is so important. If you can't flatten that back, so this is, see this little, then I do that. In other words, I kind of poke my belly out a little bit to make that happen. Oh God, oh my God. Ignore the back part that happens on this mat. Okay, take your legs out. What I'm doing really down there with my feet and stuff doesn't matter. What matters is up here. So don't worry about the fact that you can't see them. I'm probably going to kick some. So what you're going to do is bring your legs up like so. Bring them, see. Oh, it's challenging. Down and, move ball and around. And I'm closer to the floor and around and around and around. And what? Up. Come on, ball. Woo! Okay, let me do it again. You are gonna go this way. I'm gonna do it this way so you can see. Down, bracing that core, Don't use that back. Brace the core, I mean, your back's gonna work some. And up. If you notice my shoulders moving, the object is to keep them things on the ground. So try to do that. I'm gonna do it again. And I'm also gonna try to stay right above my hips and not be here. Right? Down. Here we go. Do it. Woo! So if you notice, the lower my feet go to the ground, freaking harder that is. So, if you can't get your feet all the way down, or if you can't keep your back flat, put your hands down here, okay? And just kind of do a little circle. You don't have to go so low. Everybody's on a different plane of fitness. And let me tell you, that's where I was for a very long time, was right here. And even right now, if you saw me demonstrating, maybe I should have stayed there. Windmill abs.